aka Don Chris, a 32-year-old Ugandan national who owned Skypins and travel, orchestrated a large-scale job scam defrauding Ugandans with promises of high-paying jobs abroad, primarily in the UK and Canada. The number of Ugandans that have raised complaints has now reached 350, and the total amount involved now is averaging about 1.4 billion Uganda shillings. Don Chris, or Christian Asimwe, left the country on 20th of June through Malaba border. He left through Malaba border. But my appeal to Don Chris, wherever he may be, is we have listened to only one side of Ugandans who are complaining. Why don't you also avail yourself? We listen from your side, because you could be right. We have listened from Ugandans complaining. Some of them could be telling lies. So Don Chris, our brother, wherever you are, avail yourself, come to the authorities. This is not a murder case. We all know that sometimes visas are problematic at the Canadian embassy or UK embassy. Come and explain. This matter can be resolved by sitting on the table with these members and explaining your side of the story. But now I believe we are being unfair to you, Don Chris. We are being unfair to you because we are not listening to your side of the story. We want to listen from officially, from your side of the story. Tell us whether these people are telling the truth or not. We have for sure seen about 7 Ugandans who have gone to abroad using Skypin 7. I saw Netherlands, some people went to Netherlands, some people went to Dubai using Skypins. So maybe he was doing a good job. But we just want him to come and explain, sit with us and explain. It does not mean that tours and travel companies are doing a bad job. They help. But one thing I need to emphasize to Ugandans is that there is no company, there's no tours and travel company in Uganda that is licensed to handle American or British visas. It is not there. We don't have this tour and travel company primarily formed to handle Canada, to handle UK, to handle America, to handle luggage bank. No, we don't have such a tour and travel company. The tour and travel companies that are registered in the country are doing generic work for all countries. So I want to caution my brothers and sisters out there who are struggling to get their little money and then ending up just donating it to these people without carrying out due diligence. We have on several occasions actually, told people that before you engage in a company, either to take you out for a job or to take you out for tourism or for whatever reason, first approach the Ministry of Internal Affairs or the Ministry of Gender and Labor. First of all, to ensure, is this company registered? Yeah, this is registered or it is not registered. Is it illegally operating in the country? Let us have this information. Don't just be excited by the promises of high-paying jobs. Some of these Ugandans